Hello there. Welcome back to Introductory Marketing Info. You're still working on the question paper of December 2024. So we're going to look at question 4 on that question paper. So our question 4.1 reads describe running a risk as a marketing function. So basically, you are going to start by explaining what is what is running a risk, and then you also try to give examples of running risk whereby we put a controllable risk and uncontrollable risk, and then finally we are supposed to come up with a way to mitigate this risk, or a way to solve these risks, that is running risks. So you see that our question is got 10 marks. We put five marks, 5 points being 2 marks. So this is what we have in terms of our question 4.1. So going to another section, you see that we're going to start by the explanation of running a risk, to explain what is a running risk. But you do notice that the marketing environment is always changing from time to time. So there are risks that are going to be encountered from time to time due to the changes in the marketing environment. So these are running risks that we have. So going to other section, our first point is that the marketing environment is constantly changing, and that comes with risks. So risks associated with the changes that are taking place in the market environment. So this is the first point that we have. And then the second point, some of these risks can be controlled and some cannot. So we given an example of controlled risk. An example of controlled risk is the transfer of products from one person to another. And then examples of demand and supply, theft, also, and dishonesty are controlled. And then on the last point, we are supposed to come up with a way be reduced through management and getting insurance. So these are ways that can be implemented to reduce these risks. So this is the last point that we have according to our 4.1. So what we want to the next question is 4.2. It is name and explain 4 research objectives. So basically, a research objective is defined as a clear and concise statement of specific goals and aims of a research study. So it has to be clear, and it has to be accurate, that is concise. So you would see that uh, it entails what the researcher intends to achieve in a precise and clear manner. So basically, we are saying it has to show what the researcher wants to achieve clearly and obviously precisely. And then I have examples that we have of research objectives, whereby we have got exploratory objective. We can have a also a predictive objective. We can also talk about descriptive objective. So this is what we have in terms of the examples that we have of research objectives. So we go to other section and see there we have got the list of those research objectives, whereby you've got exploratory, descriptive, and then determine the cause, and we also have predictive. So we have explore information concerning certain opportunities and problems, and then a descriptive, describe an opportunity, a threat, or a specific situation. And then look at determine the cause, whereby you say describe the cause of certain factors that have taken place. So that influence the carbon. So these are the objectives that we have. There are moving on to 4.3, name 4 demographic characteristics. So basically, demographic characteristics, these are variables within the population. And then we can talk about age, gender, income level, even mental status also can be a part of demographic characteristic. So we have them listed again in other section, whereby we are going to have a population composition and geographical distribution as part of that, and also age composition is demographic characteristics. So we can go there and see the list that we have, whereby we have population composition, geographical distribution, language and relation, age composition, and education levels. So basically, if you look at population composition, population composition basically is the description of a population according to characteristics such as age and sex, and that is population composition. And then we look at the geographical distribution, it's an arrangement of people in different regions or locations. So that is a geographical distribution. In terms of the places that the people are living, that becomes a geographic distribution. Then we've got age composition, What age composition, we are saying the number of people in the same age groups in a population. So we can just give a range of maybe 10 to 30 years, 10 to 35 years. What are the number of people that are there? And then 35 to maybe 50. What are the number of people that are there? It describes age composition. Then we also have education levels. Obviously, we know how we can give demarcations in terms of education levels. We can talk about those with high school certificates, those with diplomas, those with higher national diplomas, those with first degrees, etc. So basically, this is the scenario that we have in terms of our 4.3. Then moving on to the next question, which is 4.4. State seasonal discount. Of course, a discount is a reduction in the price. That's a discount. So when we have a price lesser than the marked or original price, that is a discount. So when it becomes seasonal discount now, uh, it's now a reduction at certain events during the year. It's not something that is going to be there for the whole year, but it's certain designated events. That's when we are having those discounts. Then they become seasonal. They come and go. So basically, they encourage purchase of your products in off season. So that's what we have. So the question needs us to come up with three benefits of seasonal discounts. And obviously, we have them also. The other section whereby we are saying improve our cash flow. So since prices are going to be reduced, we are going to see that the customers are going to be attracted, and we see more sales, and it's going to increase the cash flow. So basically, that's the essence. Remember, when the price reduces, according to the law of demand, when price reduces and demand increases, that is an inverse relationship that exists between the price levels and the quantity demanded. So we go to the second point, whereby the second point is lower stock keeping costs. Remember, if those goods are kept in the business, they are going to be kept for a longer time, and obviously they're going to attract some costs, some storage costs. So if we are hiring maybe the buildings to store those goods, it becomes more expensive. So by pushing them out, we have to reduce the prices through discounts so that the sales increase and those goods are pushed out of the business, and we are no longer going to incur those as keeping costs. So this is what we have to loyal customers. Obviously, the customers that are going to be attracted by the discounts, we might win the customers and then they become loyal to our business or loyal to our products, and we are going to retain them. And that is an advantage that is to the business. So basically, this becomes the third one. Remember, the question is stating that you should come up with three benefits of seasonal discounts. So basically, this is what you guys in our question for the question paper of November 2024. And please, let's not forget to subscribe and share to our channel. And let's take note, more typical examination questions will be uploaded on this channel. So let's stay tuned. We'll meet again in the next video.